If you're experiencing a server timeout issue on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check PlayStation Network status. Visit the official PlayStation Network status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance that could be affecting your connection. If there are issues reported, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Restart your PS5. Completely power off your PlayStation 5 by holding the power button until it turns off. After a minute, turn it back on. This can help reset the network connection and clear temporary glitches. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Go to Settings, Network, Test Internet Connection on your PS5. This will check your connection status and speed. If there are issues, consider troubleshooting your internet connection or contacting your ISP. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Navigate to Settings, Network, Setup, Internet Connection. Choose your connection type, then select Advanced Settings. Change the DNS settings to use a public DNS like Google 8.8, 8.8, and 8.84.4 to improve connectivity. Step 5. Rebuild database. Turn off your PS5 completely, then boot it in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the Rebuild database option. This can help resolve various system issues, including server timeouts. If the problem persists after following these steps, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.